Hey everybody, welcome back. This is a kitchen I've been working on. This is a second color pour. So check out the other short if you want to see what it looked like beforehand. The client wasn't happy with the first one, so we did a second one. And they're pretty happy with it right now. We're going to have a short delay on clear coating it, but nothing major, simply to replace the resin. So tell me what you think. I personally love it. I love this edge work. Check that out. Check out that edge. That edge just looks jamming. Just really like how it's continuing, especially that piece right there. But check out this island. It looks really sharp, really nice. And then this corner was a little bit difficult simply because of space, but overall I really like how it turned out. And then they also have a desk over here in the corner that turned out really nice. So check it out.